All right, so I no longer have time to test all these engines. There are so many that need just a little bit of work or training. Um, Link in the description always, as always. Yeah, I'm grabbing like a bunch of. I mean, I'm grabbing from each box that I have contents. You can get this for for fix or repair, or as for parts. This one just comes with a battery cover. See, I like I say, I don't have the time. Okay, I finally get it out. I mean, they couldn't get the battery cover. So yeah, there's a lot of things that I'm working on. This one's good battery terminal. This one is a remote control James. I found it as it is. Never had the chance to even check it. There are broken wires. They are dirty, you know. This one, what is this? Dash. This one has clean battery terminals. I have not tested. I mean, I have hundreds of Thomas models, guys. I'm gonna be posting every day. So check the link in the description.